Hi, this is Sandy Botkin, author of the best-selling book, Lower Your Taxes Big Time. Over the past 20 years, I have taught thousands of home-based business owners how to save millions on their taxes. I spent 3 years in the tax department of the international accounting firm Touche Ross, and also 5 years as a legal specialist in the Office of the Chief Counsel for the Internal Revenue Service. Currently, I'm the CEO of the Tax Reduction Institute. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain why you'd be brain dead not to have a home-based business. I believe you will find that this is going to be the most important 4 minutes of your life when it comes to your financial future. So you may want to take some notes and put aside anything that might distract you. First of all, I want to emphasize something right up front. The rich know something that most people don't know. They have a secret. And the secret is that we have 2 tax systems in the United States. Now, when I say that, most people think that there's one for the rich and one for the poor, and that's not quite true. There's one to make you rich, and then there's one to make you poor. There's one for employees, which is designed to take your wealth and make you poor, because you are taxed on $1. And then there's one for self-employed individuals, which is designed to create economic growth. And the reason for that is that small business generates over 70% of the job growth in North America. It is not IBM, it's not Microsoft or American Airlines, it's small business. So Congress passes good tax laws for small business. In fact, the important point is that small business get to take deductions first before they pay any taxes, unlike employees who have to pay taxes on $1. You can save big money by taking advantage of these good tax laws. And these laws are available to you in business, whether it's in full-time in business or part-time or just in your spare time. It doesn't matter as long as you run your business with an honest expectation of profit, which means you're really trying to make money. In fact, if you know what you're doing in a small business, you have the potential to write off part of your house, your spouse, the equivalent of your kids' education and weddings. I'm not kidding when I say that, by the way. You can set up a pension plan that makes any government plan seem paltry by comparison. The potential is just enormous. Good proof of this was illustrated by a lady named Jane Bryan Quinn. Jane Bryan Quinn is a nationally syndicated economist. You may have heard of her. She is a nationally known commentator on personal finance, with books and columns read and trusted by millions. She did a study of a couple who made $40,000 a year. And $40,000 didn't go that far. So the husband said to the wife, "Honey, you got to go out and get a job," which she did, and she made an extra $20,000. Now they're looking at their bank account, and they see no difference at the end of the year. I mean, she's making $20,000 more than she made the year before. What's going on? Did you ever hear that you have to have 2 incomes to make it in this country? Do you know why? You're about to get a 6-month financial planning course in the next few minutes. Follow along as I show you why the extra job was the wrong decision. The following example is based on 2009 tax rates. On that $20,000, they have to pay $4,845 in new federal and state taxes. Most of that was non-deductible. They have to pay Social Security of 7.65%. On $20,000, that's $1,530 of Social Security, which is non-deductible. We assume that they drove 10 miles a day round trip. And that's probably pretty conservative, I think. But let's go with that. 10 miles a day round trip, 5 days a week, 52 weeks a year at IRS's current 55-cent a mile rate. That's $1,430 of commuting, which is non-deductible. We assume lunch is at work, and we assume that they spent $7 a day, 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. That's $1,750 of lunches, which is non-deductible. We assume that you have to have clothing, better clothing, in fact, if you're working, more upkeep, because now you're working, you're going to have more dry cleaning, and that's gone up by at least $1,200 over not working. And finally, with both spouses working, you think they want to cook? Heck no! They want to eat out, where their food costs have gone up by at least $2,000. And what about child care? I bet you they spend at least $125 a week in our example. And I'm not sure we can get childcare for 3 kids for $125. But $125 a week, 50 weeks a year is $6,250 in childcare. Most of that is non-deductible. In fact, all you get is a little bit of a credit on that. Out of the $20,000 that they've earned from the part-time job, they are only left with a staggering $995 a year. They're putting in tons of hours working, they're putting up with a commute, and they're putting up with a boss that is spelled backwards, double S-O-B. You know, I know it sounds funny, but it really isn't. And people are working 2 jobs, 3 jobs, and nobody is able to watch the kids. So what's the answer? The answer is to take advantage of the greatest tax write-offs available in America. And that is by having a home-based business and working that business like a business. Nothing can be better than that. Because if you know what you're doing, you can write off, as I mentioned, part of your house, your spouse, the equivalent of your kids' education and weddings. You can set up a pension plan that makes any government plan seem paltry by comparison, and there's much more than just the tax benefits. For example, you get tremendous time freedom. You can work out of your home. You dictate your own hours and not be subject to the boss's whims. If you need to go somewhere, or go to your kids' basketball games, or go to your son's or daughter's music lessons or concerts, you can do that. There's no commute. There's no liability, or very little liability with home-based businesses. You don't have any employees. And you can make unlimited income. And that's probably the most important factor for having a home-based business. There is no glass ceiling of any type. Having a home-based business is probably the smartest thing that anyone can do. And what amazes me is that people will work overtime to try to get ahead in a company, when frankly they should be putting in as little time as possible to avoid getting fired and getting a part-time home-based business going. Who knows? Maybe that business will generate enough money where you can quit your job altogether. Wouldn't that be nice? That's the point. Having a home-based business will generate enormous benefits for yourself and your family. It's something you should really consider, and it will make your life a lot less taxing. I would strongly encourage you to carefully evaluate and get started with your own home-based business today. The tax benefits are incredible, but a home business has so much more to offer. Extra income, being your own boss, financial security, setting your own hours, working from the comfort of your home, more time with family, and the list goes on and on. Most importantly, you are working on your dream instead of someone else's. Now that's the beautiful thing.
Hey everybody, my name is Thomas Felder. I'm a Platinum Senior Vice President in this awesome and incredible company known as 5LINKS. And today I want to share with you an opportunity to live a better life. We're called 5LINKS because we're based on 5 key principles: vision, integrity, opportunity, freedom, and success. Our company was founded in 2001. Our co-founders have over 60 plus years of experience. We've been in the Inc. magazine 9 years in a row, and we have a 50,000 square foot world headquarters in Rochester, New York. We have a very simple model called representatives come first. Why 5LINKS? 5LINKS will give you a plan B to help you get freedom, be your own boss, be debt free, set up a children's college fund, have money for charity, and have more money for the things that matter. 5LINKS allows you to become involved with the direct sales industry worldwide, which is a $178 billion industry. Compare that to music, movies, and the NFL. You got a greater chance here of becoming financially free. Compare 5LINKS to a standard Fortune 500 company. And you look at, most of us will never make it to the top and become CEO. But on day one in our business, we are the CEO, the COO, and the CFO. We are allowed to leverage our time and maximize our income. 5LINKS allows you to become involved with major wealth trends. It allows you to be at the right place at the right time. Most of us have missed out on the PC industry, long distance, cell phone, internet, voice over IP, and video apps. But now, right now, you can become involved with energy, mobile marketing, healthcare, and wellness. Energy is a $500 billion industry. We are a major player in that industry. We also do home security, home phones, internet, cable TV, mobile, satellite TV, as well as ID Guard. Text marketing is a $48 billion industry in the United States. If you want to see how it works, just text 5links to 55469. We also do 5links Wellness with our company called Enhanced Care MD, where we are trying to make sure that 44 million uninsured Americans are able to talk to a doctor or a nurse 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have Montevita, which is healthy coffee. 1/3 of the world wakes up every morning and drinks a cup of coffee. We want to make sure if they do it healthily. We have MCT oil, which is medium chain triglyceride oil, which assists with weight loss, appetite suppression, absorption of essential nutrients, and it has Ramon seeds, which has its own set of benefits and helps the coffee to taste good. Dr. Oz is a very big advocate of MCT oil. We have our health inspired products. We have High Five Boost, which helps control your hunger and boost your energy. High Five Edge, which helps improve your endurance and gives you healthy aging. And High Five Lean, which is a delicious nutrient-filled shake. Weight loss last year was a $571 billion industry. We have Niagen, which is one of our proprietary products, which assists with anti-aging, weight management, endurance, cognitive function, and many more. 5links compensation will help you balance your time with your income. When you get involved with 5links, you want to hit a position called trainer right away, which just sharing the business opportunity with one person and help them get qualified with 8 customer points. When you share with 2 people in your first 30 days and you qualify them with 8 customer points, 5links is going to pay you out a quick start bonus of up to $1,200. If you do these things in your first 30 days together, you would be qualified for $1,250 in quick start compensation. Residual income is really what we all work towards. And when you get in and you build a team of 20 people, help them all get 20 customers at an average commission of 50 cents, you're looking at $200 a month. If you can build a team of 20, why would you stop there? If you build your team to 200 people, help each one get 20 billing customers at an average commission of 50 cents, you're looking at $2,000 in residual income every month. With your team of 200 working with you, you can build a team of 2,000 people, each one getting 20 billing customers at an average commission of 50 cents. Now you're looking at some serious money, $20,000 a month. What I love about this business, you can become involved as a customer representative for only $99. But if you want to get involved and get paid on every single bonus and every single customer that comes into your organization, I say come in as an independent marketing rep. That will cost you $249 to get started. Compensation at each level. At executive trainer, you can make up to $2,000. As executive director, up to $8,000. As a national director, up to $15,000. As a senior vice president, you can make up to $50,000 in team bonuses alone every single month. We also get benefits as we hit different positions. Senior vice president is a position that I hit within 85 days of being in this business. And at that position, I earned 5,000 shares of stock options, a BMW payment of up to $800 a month, a Global Links bonus, an annual vacation, and an expense account of up to $1,500 a month. At Platinum Senior Vice President, which is a position that I hit in 16 months, you are entitled to a Bentley payment of up to $4,000 a month. Also a Platinum bonus pool where you can actually get paid off of all the company's customers, 5,000 shares of stock options, a world vacation, a ring that looks like a Super Bowl ring and costs the same, and a pendant for ladies with 65 diamonds as well. Diamond is a position that we're all running for. At Diamond, you get $300,000 as an earned position bonus, and you would be entitled to $10,000 a month in a lifestyle allowance. This company will train you and support you. We have local, regional, and international training events. We have a personal website where you can build your business. We have 5links University, which is 3 hours of online computer training that will help you get started properly in this business, and we have business reporting. The only thing you need to do today is get started. Fill out an application, either do it online or get back with the person who invited you out and get started. Let me walk you through a quick start to show you how to build your business. We do 2 things in this business. We help people save money and we help people make money. Those are our only 2 objectives. When you come into the business, we want to get 8 customer points as quickly as possible, and you want to get one of the preferred customers out of each one of those 2 boxes. So get at least 1 product out of the green box and 1 product out of the blue box and become your own customer today. We have so many different products, and each of the products have different point values as you see on the screen, so you can choose any one of our products to begin building your business. Getting started in this business is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Get in, hit trainer, hit executive trainer in your first 30 days, and hit executive director in your first 60 days, and really get your business off to a quick start. If you look on this screen, these are just some of the bonuses that you can earn for people who come into your business. This is an additional way that we make money above and beyond the residual income that we make. So again, get started today. Make a list of potential customers and potential business partners. I would go right through my cell phone and text every single person and tell them to take a look at this video and get back to you as soon as possible. Also, get back with the person who invited you to take a look at this business in the next 24 to 48 hours. Guys, this is Thomas Felder, Platinum Senior Vice President for the awesome and incredible Team TNT. I look forward to seeing you at the beaches of the world, and if not at the beach, at the bank. Take care and God bless.